Aloka, come here. Sorry, I forgot to introduce you. So sorry for that. And so let me pay respect to Ajahn Pawat that he have came, and then I didn't have a chance to pay respect to him. So let me pay respect to you, Ajahn, my leader. Okay, John. During the walk in the United States, we had encountered a lot of things, a lot of problems, including weather, protesters, people cursing, people shouting, all those. And at the same time, he also led a walk in India a little bit later than us walking here. They also encountered an accident as well. 2 monks got hit and also admitted to the hospital. And but luckily they were okay. Just went through scans and all those things, and then finally they got dismissed to go back to the walk.